Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's the 1st of July. Hedge got cut the other week. Not been posting videos last few weeks, so I thought I'd get out today. Show you everything that's growing in the garden. Nice fuchsias. Starting to set some flowers, which is great. Here we have my hollyhocks. I absolutely love this purple. It's absolutely divine. Down there. Thistles that need taking out, but down there. Perennial geraniums. Come round here. We have my scented lilies that are getting ready to flower. And then we come just down here, which is great. These are my day lilies. As the name might suggest, these flower for a day, then shrivel up and drop off, but you get several. Some have unfortunately got a midge infection. I shall just try and open this one up and show you damage it causes. Just in there. They absolutely massacre the inside, but not every one. This is damaged, so that's great. So I'm going to get some nice flowers. When they are damaged, they just end up shriveling up like that and dropping off. The long ones are the ones that are not infected. A little bit further down here, foxgloves just about getting ready to set seed, which is great. Excuse me, it's brilliant. These are my crocosmia, called Lucifer. Epic flowers on there. Down here we have my lupins, which I've just left to set seed. This is when you want to be collecting the seed. When they turn black like this, all you do then is you just pop them up in your hands, like so. Some nice dark coloured seeds, there we go. They're perfectly ripe seeds, those. You can sow them now, as long as you don't let them dry out. And they'll be perfect for next year then. Come down here, we have, this is my Japanese anemone. Absolutely beautiful pink flowers. The peony is just about finished flowering. That's the last flower on there. Some more lilies there. Hostas down here. Then here we have, these are two new silk-seeded hollyhocks. Beautiful, like apricot there, and a beautiful pale pink one there. Nice contrast there. Sonny, come jump. How are you going, mate? I know, it's a beautiful pussycat, aren't you? Then here we have, I've got my clematis, which should be growing up here nicely. It is, yep. So yeah, that's growing nicely. These are my perennial lilies, perennial poppies, oriental poppies. There we have some more daylilies, which is great. And then just a perennial sweet pea at the back there, that'll be flowering soon. Another epic hollyhock there. Come down around here. This is, I had a new settee delivered. This is what happened to my plants. I told them it was fine because otherwise I wouldn't be able to get in. So all this needs cutting back, sorting out. Unfortunate, but things will grow back. It's not the end of the world. Another lupin just starting to set seed there. Brilliant. Come down here, round here. This amazing, absolutely stunning flowers there from my hostas. Absolutely amazing there. This is my cloth of gold there, and these are my lilies that'll be getting ready flowering shortly. This is called clotted cream, jasmine clotted cream, which these smell like you did a really good plum like last year, and the scent on this is divine, absolutely divine. And then I've got my climber, my clematis there, which is looking epic. And then we have, well, this smells absolutely divine. And then these white phlox, they are absolutely, the scent of those in the front room is absolutely amazing. Just sit here with one of my favourite spots. There's my agapanthus. Just some flowers, which is great. Some flowers here because we haven't had much rain, so these have just been getting the rain from when it's raining. But yeah, the lawn needs a good cut today or tomorrow. But that's a quick catch up on my little cottage garden. If you've got any questions about anything growing, please don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and always happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.